Do crime victims get assigned an attorney? I'm Maribel Martinez, former judge. If you are the victim of a crime, you do not get assigned an attorney per se. However, you are the victim. Therefore, the state attorney in the state of Florida must advise you of all the stages in the case, and you have the right to be heard in many of the stages. Also, you have a lot of influence because if for some reason you decide that you do not want the case prosecuted, that is something that is heavily considered. As a matter of fact, as an attorney who represents sometimes the defendants, often I speak to the victim and the victim ends up telling me, we don't want to continue. And many times the state either drops the case or brings the charge way down so that the defendant then ends up pleading to the charge. Now, as a victim, you do have the right to hire an attorney, but the state attorney is not your attorney. The state attorney represents the state of Florida. Lastly, if you are a victim and the attorney for the defendant reaches out to you, they are not breaking the law by doing that. They are simply trying to gather information in order to be able to advise their client the best way possible. Maribel Martinez, turning setbacks into comebacks.